family of Buffalo here, Mrs. Buffalo, hanging out. It's Wednesday night. Lainey Wilson plays tonight. It rained all day today, so not a whole lot going on other than the concert tonight. That's it.
In Albuquerque streets, where the sun beats bright, lives El Buffalo, a man of rugged might. He straddles his Harley, a rebel's pride, rough in tone, but his heart beats with a gentle stride. El Buffalo, king of the open road.
Just trying not to dance. I've been looking in the mirror saying, girl, you gotta chill. But wow,